Siya pasaylo ako, sorry.
Sorry, no.
Sorry, no.
Say, but I heard also
Pero yung siya nga nakadungog sa
that
ko.
you refuse to be comforted.
Nga, dili ka makomfort nila. Yung siya ba?
That is why I've come
Rona ng adi ko.
to let you know
Para ipahibaw ka.
that you should be calm.
Na dapat kang magkalma.
You keep asking me for my first son.
Kanunay kung hindi mo pangutanong, may tungkol sa akin.
Every time we meet, say, what of your son?
So, sa kanatapo na ito, mangutan na ka, kamusta na
And I
yung
keep
anak?
telling you, my friend, my son traveled.
Kung kanunay kung matupang ni mga ako anak ng biyahe.
But you never ask me, when will you be back?
Pero wala ka nakapangutanan ako, kamusta na siya bumalik?
I say, so what happened? What about your son?
So, mayroon siya, ano ka dahil mo sila, ito po si Wena.
So if you want to know,
Iwan siya, kung gusto kang mahibaw,
talk to my son.
agto sa aming balay. So,
In our culture,
so sa ilang kultura,
somebody's husband, that you can't go out 7 days, 40 days, you can't go anywhere.
kung namantiyan ko na ka na hindi ka makagawas dito ka, adlaw.
That evening,
Kung ano gabi una,
the woman called the junior brother, which is Papa Adeboye now.
bitawag na iyahang manghod na mo si Pamaliboy na tukarot.
Come, my junior brother, come.
Dali-dali ang manghod.
Now it's a bit dark in the evening.
Ligit na kayo sa gabi una.
My friend came and told me this, I should come to the house.
Ako higala niyo na kinahanglan tumutong sa
He
ilang
said, so
balay.
he followed his sister.
So, yun siya, musunod siya siya ang
And
isuot.
they went to the home of the friend.
Kung niato sila sa balay sa ilang
He said,
higala.
as soon as they got there,
So, pag-abot ko nila dito,
they noticed that the house, the main door, was working.
ilahang nabatayan na ang kaning nga portahan.
But after the main door, they had created another door.
So, kanina portahan nakasirado. Pagsulod na sa nila, na po sila nakita ng
So this
portahan.
is the main door, this is the sala, but there's another door.
So, mo lang main door, mo yung sala na po din lahi na sa
And
portahan.
behind the other door, there was a noise like an animal was shouting.
Kung dito daw sa sulod sa portahan, na po yung usa ka tao nga murag gasyagit na murag hayo. Siya ka,
Did you keep animal in your house?
napakagitago nga hayop sa inyong balay.
He said, sit down.
Siya lingkod
You
sa.
are crying,
Naghilak ka,
you are weeping,
nagsige ka hilak,
unconsolable,
dili ka mahupay,
because your husband died.
tungod kay namatay ng bana.
He said, that's my first son.
Yun siya, kato ako kinamaguwang ang anak.
He's the one in that room,
Mauna siyang nadiha sa kwarto.
shouting and barking like animal.
Nagsyagit, nagsigig tahol, murag
For
hayop.
2 years.
Sulod sa duhana ka tuig.
And the family has been battling with that.
Kung ang ilahang pamilya maon ay nakigubat ang mga problema.
He said, as a mother,
Yun siya bilang usahang inahan.
she has prayed
Kanunay siya nag-ampo.
that God should kill the child
Nga, patyo na lang sa ginuyang anak.
so that